All right, that was quick. Got it right away. Now I gotta open it up, learn how to use it, and test it. Hi, is the microphone working? Okay, I'm trying out the new Hollylander. I don't know how to say it. Microphone. It's this little thing right here on my body, and it's basically on my shirt with a magnet. And I do have to uh, get rid of my giant case because my Defender case blocks the receiver on the bottom. But that's okay. I'll just go online and get a different case because this thing is a godsend because it's so small, and the receiver, and apparently it sounds good. I'm going to test that right now. One of my favorite features so far is that there's a little yellow button on the microphone, and I double tap it and it starts recording. So I don't have to keep bringing the phone down to basically start and stop recordings. And I'm getting bit big time by mosquitoes. So I'm guessing I'm not going to be out here too long. All right, this is not going to work at all because the mosquitoes are out in full force today. And I'm going to get killed. So I better get back to my car. I just wanted to test this microphone, but you know what? It's so easy. You just plug it in the bottom, and then you push once for noise cancellation, and you push twice quickly to start and stop recording. That couldn't be any easier. And how do you think the quality of the voice sounds? You get to watch me get eaten up in real time here. Oh my God, mosquitoes. They are the worst. That's one time when your vegan principles go out the window because nobody minds having these guys exit the world because they're a giant nuisance. Hey, it's not my fault. They're attacking me, so I'm just protecting myself. Some of the people on the trail gave me a good idea. They said, get a branch and go like this. Hey, it's better than getting eaten alive. Okay, so I admit this is not the best idea in the world. I had no idea the mosquitoes were going to be this bad today, and the flies. But the good news is that I didn't even read the instructions and the microphone's working. Now I know I can set the volume probably. Maybe it's a little bit set too loud now. Maybe my voice is a little too loud. But that's kind of cool. You don't even have to read the instructions. You plug it in and it just works. And I just watched like a YouTube video just explaining once is for noise reduction, twice is for starting and stopping the recording. So that's good. All right, here we go. The weather's not bad. It's probably about 75. That's not bad. And let's see how much time I have here. Almost 7:20. I'll be back to the car by 8 o'clock. This is pretty on the side of the trail. You can't stop for too long, otherwise you get eaten alive. Look at that beautiful reflection. It's also nice here. I wonder what that noise was. Uh-oh. I love it. I got to get off the bridge. It's different kinds of traffic here. I wonder what that noise was. I was like, is there a giant deer trying to cross the bridge? Then I looked back and it was people on a horse. They're over there. Oh, Jesus. Help. This is a horrible mosquito zone. I'm using this to keep them away. As you can see, it's quite late in the day. The lovely long shadow. Let me push the button twice to stop the video.